this is Leah de Guzman, your I Am Brand Ambassador. And welcome sa premiere episode ng Meet Your Machine Season 1. Today, we're highlighting a unit na talagang powerhouse pagdating sa earth moving. The Develon SD300N Wheel Loader. At para sa ating full technical breakdown, syempre may mga kasama tayo dyan. Let's all welcome our expert, Engineer Princess. Hello po!
Hi! Salamat, Leah. This SD300N is built for heavy-duty performance with its 16.5-ton operating weight and a high-capacity 2.7 cubic meter bucket. Mapapansin nyo rin ang applied new look nito with a distinctive design and reinforced structure. With the added LED lamps and Develon decals, talagang bold and assertive ang style nito sa site.
Wow!
Sa internal naman, the hydraulic system minimizes the engine oil pressure load and power loss. And this enables the miniaturization of the hydraulic pump while maximizing efficiency. Pagdating sa upkeep, simplified maintenance ang focus natin. Both sides of the hood opens to the side para mas mabilis ang daily oil inspection. Protektado rin ang engine nyo with triple fuel filter and a special air cleaner for extremely dusty environment. Even the braking system is convenient. We use quick change brake discs, kaya checking and changing pads is possible without removing the tires. At dahil side-mounted ang booster pump, mas stable ang braking performance at mas madali ang daily maintenance. Inside the cabin, we guarantee a pleasant work environment. It offers ample space and a wide visual field with a significantly reduced noise and vibration. The new instrument gauge panel is simple and intuitive, putting essential info right in front of the operator. Every detail is ergonomic, from the adjustable steering wheel and intuitive joystick lever to the pedals na bawas fatigue sa paa. The seat itself has a high back, dual armrests, and multi-level spring shock absorption for a comfortable operation kahit long hours pa yan.
Performance, maintenance, and comfort. Talagang complete package. This machine gives you the best value for money in the market today. At hindi lang yan, because with Inframachineries, kasama lagi ang aming valuable after-sales service to keep your projects running. The best part? Our SD300N units are available in stock right now. Don't miss out! Message us for a formal quotation or schedule a viewing para naman makita nyo in person ang ating mga machines. This is Leah de Guzman.
And this is Engineer Princess.
And this is Meet Your Machine.
See you on our next episode.